MissMii Hollywood Lighted Vanity Mirror with Lights Dressing Table Makeup Mirror with Dimmable LED Bulbs Tabletop or Wall Mounted Vanity with Dimmer 2 USB ports 2 power outlets. Hello gorgeous! Lighted Vanity Mirror. Classic backstage style lighted vanity mirror that will fit any decor. Free 14 dimmable LED bulbs. Provide 4000K 4500K neutral light to reflect more accurate makeup colors. Seamless aluminum frame with glow coating. Easily and accurately control the ideal amount of lighting with the easy-to-reach light dimmer switch. Side-mounted accessory power outlets and USB charging outlets perfect for hair tools and charging your phone while getting glam. Detachable sturdy wooden base designed for tabletop. Minimal assembly required, just attach the base, screw in the bulbs, plug in, and light up. Pre-installed hook slots in the back for easy wall mounting. Certified by FCC, CE, and RoHS safety standards. The Hollywood-style bulb layout provides even lighting and mirror reflection clarity ideal for makeup at any setting, home or professional, and for taking selfie. Join the happy owners today and make your every makeup session an ethereal pleasure. You'll fall in love with each and every time. Our custom-made LED vanity bulbs for daylight bright white lighting that renders more accurate colors. Designed for both tabletop and wall-mounted setups. The vanity mirror is ideal for makeup application at any setting.